Have you ever wished your pet grooming salon could run smoother without so much back and forth? In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a custom GPT or an AI assistant that will help you answer frequently asked questions, book appointments, and even recommend services based on your pet type. And the best part, we can do all of this all while using ChatGPT. So it's time to start saving you hours and leveling up your customer experience. But what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Marketing with Dev. Make sure you guys leave me a like, comment, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications so you can be notified when I drop the videos just like this one. And if you are a business owner or an entrepreneur and you want to learn how you can make more sales and generate more leads for your business using AI marketing, then click the link in the description and get instant access to the ultimate ChatGPT prompt pack for business owners and content creators. But with that out of the way, let's get right back into the video. So the first thing that we're going to have to do is create our knowledge source, right? So we need to create a knowledge document that our chatbot can actually pull from, right? So it's going to have a source of knowledge to be able to answer questions and to be able to book appointments and things like that. So we have to provide it for it. So this is going to be our prompt. Act as the owner of a pet grooming salon. Create a comprehensive knowledge document that I can upload to a custom GPT to help with lead generation, frequently asked questions, customer support, and service recommendations. The knowledge doc should include a brief overview of the business, who it serves and what it does, frequently asked questions and answers, common customer questions and answers, service / product list with pricing estimates or ranges, lead capture prompts, example, what's your name, zip code, and the issue you're experiencing, customer support information, hours, contact, returns, or refunds if applicable, booking or appointment scheduling instructions, any seasonal tips or industry specific advice to help educate customers. So now let's submit this prompt and let's see what we get. And just like that, we get an entire knowledge document, right? So they name this Posh Pet Grooming Salon, and this is the knowledge document. So business overview. Posh Pet Grooming Salon is a full-service grooming boutique dedicated to pampering pets with top quality care and style. We serve dogs and cats of all breeds, sizes, and temperaments. Our expert groomers specialize in breed-specific cuts, skin and coat health, and anxiety-free grooming experiences. And here are also the frequently asked questions. And just want to make sure that I mention this. So this is going to give you the base of your knowledge source, right? So if you have a pet grooming salon, this is going to give you a pretty nice solid foundation. But of course, what you're going to do is copy this, paste this into a Google document, and change out all the things that don't make sense for you, and change it to things that actually are applicable and fitting for your business. So where right here, where it says in the heart of insert city, of course, you're going to have the city and the state that your business is operating in. Your frequently asked questions, make sure that the questions that are on here are the questions that you actually get. So you can just copy and paste this and you can add questions, takes them out. You just want to make sure that you're customizing this so it actually fits your business. Same thing with the services and the pricing, right? So whatever it costs for you, then this is what you're going to, update it to change. So I'm sure the pricing and the names of things might be different, but we just want to go into ChatGPT to give us the framework because it just gives us all of the things we need, and then we can just edit it up, and it just is so much faster like that. So same thing with customer support. Of course, we're going to input your own information here, your own hours of operation, and same thing for booking instructions, right? So you want to make sure that you provide the proper link for them to book an appointment so that this AI chatbot can then send this to, potential leads and things like that. Very important that we're doing that. So there you guys have it. We have our knowledge doc. We have everything that we need here. So like I said, let's copy this. Let's paste this into a Google document and then make all of the adjustments we need to make so we have it specifically set up for our business. Now we're going to create a description. So let's use this prompt. Now create a description for this we can use when creating the custom GPT. And just like that, we get one. So this custom GPT is trained with the complete knowledge base of Posh Pet Grooming Salon. It serves as a virtual assistant that helps pet parents get fast answers to frequently asked questions, explore grooming services and prices, book appointments, and get seasonal pet care tips. It can also collect lead information, recommend services based on breed and coat type, and provide customer support details like hours, policies, and contact info, all in a friendly, professional tone. Perfect for generating leads, handling customer questions, and saving staff time. So there you go. We'll probably only use up to this part for our description when we actually go into ChatGPT, the backend, and set it up, but they gave us a bit more, which is fine. So the next thing that we're going to do now is get instructions for this GPT. So let's go ahead and make those. So we're just going to continue in this chat that we already have, create instructions for this custom GPT. Right? So they already have the knowledge doc. Now we'll just tell it to create the instructions. So let's go through this quickly. So custom GPT instructions, pet grooming salon assistant. So role, you are a friendly and knowledgeable virtual assistant for Posh Pet Grooming Salon, a full-service grooming boutique for dogs and cats of all breeds and sizes. Your job is to help pet parents quickly find the information they need, guide them through the booking process, and recommend the best grooming services based on their pet's details. So what you can do, answer frequently asked questions about grooming services, pricing, grooming duration, pet behavior, recommend services based on pet breed, capture lead info by asking, all that good stuff. Share pricing estimates and explain package differences, provide customer support info, guide users to book appointments, offer seasonal grooming tips, and all that good stuff. So I'm not going to spend too much time reading through all of these individually, but you guys can see right here. And when you guys do this for yourself, you'll be able to see, and again, make any adjustments that you want. If you want this tone and style to be different, just tell it whatever you want it to be, and it will make it so. So now that we have that, let's just get one conversation starter, and then we will have all of the assets we need to then go ahead and create this custom GPT. So we'll prompt again in this chat still. Now create a conversation starter for this custom GPT. So we have, hi, I'm your Posh Pet Grooming Assistant. I can help you book an appointment, recommend the best grooming services, or answer any questions you have. To get started, please share your name, zip code, your pet's name, breed, and age, what services you're looking for, any special concerns, and let's get your pet looking and feeling their best. Now that we have all of our assets, now it is time to actually go into the backend and set up this custom GPT. So what you need to do is press this button in the top left, open sidebar, and then we're going to go to explore GPTs. But you must have an upgraded version of ChatGPT to be able to build a custom chatbot in ChatGPT, so be aware of that. I definitely think it's worth it though. And once you do that, we're going to press the create button in the top right. And then now we are brought to, we're going to go to configure, and we can select to input our picture if we want. We can put a little logo. And now we have our name section, description, instructions, conversation starters, and our knowledge doc, and capabilities and actions, right? So let's go ahead and fill some of this stuff out. So for name, I forgot what the name of this was. Let's just call this Pet GPT, just to have something. Now description. So this is why I told you guys before to just copy and paste those into a Google Doc, so you can easily just go back and forth, just paste these in here. So let's go get our description, paste that in there, and then you'll see on the right, this is where your description will be displayed. Now let's do the same thing for the instructions. Let's copy those instructions and let's paste those in as well. Paste those instructions in, make sure everything is set up correctly. Now we can go to the conversation starter. We can do the same thing, paste that one as well. Paste that in. That one's a little long, so it doesn't show up all the way over here on the right, but that's fine. And now for our knowledge document, let's go ahead and upload that. So you're gonna go upload that from your files. Good, make sure that's in there. And then we will be good to go. Like I said before, you can put a picture in here if you want, but now let's actually test this custom GPT and see if it actually works. So I have a 70-pound pit/lab mix. What kind of haircut, or what kind of service should I say? What kind of service should I get? And just like that, we instantly get an answer, right? So thanks for sharing about your pup. 70-pound pit/lab mix is considered a large dog. And here are a few grooming service recommendations depending on your goals. If your pup just needs a cleanup, basic bath and brush includes a bath, blow dry, brushing, and nail trim, estimated $70 to $90. If your pup needs a full grooming session, full groom includes everything in the bath package plus a haircut tailored to their coat type, estimated $100 to $135. For shedding concerns, de-shedding treatment, ideal for labs or mixes that shed. This helps reduce loose hair and keeps your home fur-free, estimated $35 to $50. Bonus add-ons, nail trim $15 to $25, flea and tick treatment $30 to $40, teeth brushing $10, seasonal pampering package starting at $99. Want help picking the best combo for your pup or setting up an appointment? If so, can you share your name, zip code, your dog's name and age, any specific concerns, and I'll help guide you from there. So as you guys can see, we have a fully functioning AI assistant right here that is just pumping out information when prompted. So we can just keep going a little bit more just so you guys can see more of the full capabilities. Let's ask something else, or let's actually, listen to what it's saying. So your name, so I'm Devin, let's just say 90210. Dog's name, just say Dasher. Any specific concerns? So we input the information and we get some even more stuff, right? So it gives us the dog's information, the breed, weight, zip code, no concerns. And now they're recommending the full groom package, saying we can also add on shedding treatment, teeth brushing. We already spoke about that. And now we get to the ready to book section. Now they're giving us the link to book or call or text. If this was you, obviously this would be your real link or your real number that they can call and text you. But you guys now would be generating these leads on autopilot, right? So you'll be sending your leads or potential prospects here, and they'll be doing all of this, and your AI assistant will actually be kind of helping close the deal on your behalf, right? So what you want to do after we validate that this is good, we tested everything, we're going to create at the top right. Anyone with the link, only me, or you can share it with the GPT store. That is completely up to you. And you're going to take this link that you get, and you're going to put that everywhere, right? So you're going to put that on your website, you can put that in your link tree, on your link in your bio. Tell people to go to this link. You want to direct as much traffic here as possible, because now instead of you having to manually ask all these questions, you can just, assist this to your AI assistant, or just pass this to your AI assistant and let them take care of all of it, right? And you can customize this as much as you want, so you can truly get the best version of the AI assistant that suits your business. Obviously, I don't know your specific business, so I can't make one specific for you at this moment while you're watching this video. But of course, you know your business, so you can make this even better than the one I made, because it will be specific to you and what you do and what you offer and things like that. So make sure you guys are creating one like this. If you have a pet grooming business or anything that's even similar, or really any kind of business, creating these custom GPTs can really help you a lot. And just like that, your pet grooming business now has an AI digital assistant ready to answer questions and book appointments for you. You want me to build a custom GPT like this for your business? If you do, then leave a comment below or click the link in the description and let's set up a time to talk. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, then make sure you guys give me a like, comment, subscribe, and hit those bell notifications so you can be notified when I drop the videos just like this one. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.